What starts as a luxury hotel stay spirals into a full-blown police trespass arrest, all over erratic behavior, a pressed emergency button, and a guest who insists she knows her rights, but refuses to follow basic instructions. In this body cam breakdown, watch how one decision after another turns a simple hotel eviction into handcuffs, charges, and a hard legal reality check. Stay with us, because this situation escalates fast.
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Welcome back. All right, so we have Miss Jessica, who's been with us since yesterday. She's just had a lot of erratic behavior. Yesterday she was drinking at the rooftop, getting really intoxicated. We asked her to leave. She kept coming back 3 times. Then she claimed that the guy that she's with stole $30,000 from her, wanted immediate attention for that. This morning was walking barefoot, grabbing pastries off the Continental thing. So long story short, we're going to kick her out. This morning she was clicking the emergency button. So I was answering it, trying to figure out what happened, what the emergency is. She wouldn't answer me, which is why I called you guys. So we're going to go see what the emergency is, and then we're going to ask her to leave.
Do we want her out just...
In general, I just want her out.
Okay, so we're not doing a trespass.
No, let's do a trespass.
Okay.
Let's do a trespass.
Okay,
perfect. Yeah. Thank you. I'm going to just speak first, just let her know what's happening. Hotel management.
Hello?
Hi, you pressed the emergency button, so I wanted to come and see if you were okay.
Oh yeah, we're great, thanks.
Do you mind opening the door for me?
I didn't know I pressed emergency.
You're okay, but anytime somebody presses that, I have to enter the
What
room.
button did we press?
The emergency button on the phone.
So I had 2 people up here trying to help me figure out the phone's broken.
Okay, I have to enter though to make sure the room is okay and that you're okay if the emergency button is
Can I
pressed.
put some clothes?
Please do. Thank you.
Do we know if she has a car here, or Ubered, or...
I don't know.
142
So what button is that?
So you press the emergency, there's a button that says emergency on the phone. This is your partner. Good morning. How you doing?
Even better. I'm trying to get in touch with... I called emergency on my mother in Orlando.
Oh, okay. So you actually dialed emergency from here?
Yeah, but they connected me to Orlando. My
Oh.
grandmother's in trouble.
Oh no, okay. From our side, just looking around a little bit, it looks like you're smoking on the terrace,
Yeah.
which we don't allow smoking in our property, so we're going to have to ask you to leave today. We're not going to charge you for tonight or anything like that, but we're not going to be able to keep you for another night, so we're going to have to ask you to leave. Are we able to pack everything up within the next 15, 20 minutes?
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm serious.
We paid for 2 nights. Can we just pay for the smoking fee?
No, unfortunately it doesn't work that way. So I'll step out and then give you guys a chance to kind of get things going. I'll get a bell card up so we can take everything downstairs. Do you have a car with us?
Wonderful. What?
Do you have a vehicle with us?
We have a card and a motorcycle outside.
Okay, we'll get those ready on the ramp for you then. Do you need help
Great.
packing up?
No.
Okay, alright. Thank you. I'll just be
Thanks
right
for all your
outside.
help.
You're welcome.
I called an emergency to my grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah, she...
You can leave now. You're not gonna watch me dressed and all that. You
Okay,
can go outside.
yeah, we'll step outside and you can put something on,
Yeah.
but then we're going to come and make sure that everything gets packed up.
You can go while we pack. We paid for our room tonight.
Right, so
Go outside.
you're going to pack because we're
Right,
going to
but
leave.
you're gonna step outside. You're not gonna be here while
Right, well,
you're
we'll
dressed
leave.
and all that.
She'll get here so
Get outside.
she can watch
No.
you put a shirt on. Listen, ma'am, let me
You're
explain
not
something.
gonna watch any of this.
Let me explain something, okay? You're being removed. You're going to be trespassed.
I understand.
You're
you
going
can
to be-
wait outside while
you're
that
going to-
happens. We have 30 minutes. All we did was smoke outside. Give me a
going to
break.
be trespassed from the property.
If we don't get out in 30 minutes, get the outside.
First of all,
You don't have any right to tell me what to do in my room that I paid
Safety
for.
wise, we don't walk out
Right.
when they're being trespassed.
No. we
you're
have to
being
stay.
trespassed. We are going to make sure that you gather all your belongings.
Wait outside while I do it.
No. If you want to go into the bathroom with a shirt and put a shirt on,
No.
Like an adult?
that's fine.
No.
But we're not leaving you in here
You can
by
act like an
yourselves.
adult and wait the outside.
We're not doing
I'm gonna
that.
wait over here. So, excuse me.
Why don't we start your stuff up, okay?
Excuse me, don't touch me.
You have no business
Okay.
being involved in our property
You're probably my
right now.
server, so you guys are getting kicked out. So you gotta get all your stuff.
Yeah, we can do that, but you wait outside while we do that.
No.
Not gonna happen.
We're not doing that.
This is my room. I paid for it.
Being a big
Are you gonna give me my money back?
She already said that they're not going to charge you for the night.
Are you gonna charge me for the day that you're?
Sir, do you have an ID or anything with you? No.
You're being
Do you have
charged
any
for
cards
last
or anything
night,
like
but
that?
not anything
No.
for today.
Okay.
Why? Because we smoked on the patio. We have to deal with all this.
Yes.
I called the
Let's start
police on my
packing up.
grandmother who was being abused by my mother in Orlando.
Jessica,
in a
let's
completely
start
different
packing
city.
up, okay?
Acting up?
Packing
Packing
up.
up.
Let's start packing up.
Wait the outside
We're
while
not
I
waiting
pack up.
outside,
No.
okay?
You have no business being in here.
Just put a shirt on and let's keep moving, okay?
You have no business. I
We're
would
not
like you to
moving.
step
We're not
outside.
leaving. I know that's what you would like to happen, but that's not what's going to happen.
Absolutely.
So, you're
Illegal.
being trespassed. If you don't start packing up and leaving now, I'll
Right,
put you in
you have no
handcuffs.
business being in
I will
my
put
room.
you in handcuffs and I will take you to the county jail
You have no business being in my
for
room.
trespass
for the next
after
30
warning.
minutes.
Do you understand?
Get the out of my room.
Do you want to go to jail?
Get out of my room.
Last chance.
Is this your stuff too?
You have no business being.
Start packing your belongings.
I
Or you're
paid
going
for
to
this
jail.
room.
Start packing your
For
stuff
2
or you're
nights.
going
Are
to
you
jail.
refusing to pack your belongings
No,
and leave?
I asked you to wait outside
And
while
I
I
explained that
packed
that's not happening. Are you refusing to pack your thing?
Are you kidding me? You guys are the biggest I've ever met in my goddamn life. Like, we don't have enough problems in this
I'm
goddamn
gonna see
world.
if she has the 14 on.
So you might close that so the AC doesn't all go out.
Yeah, we actually like it open. We paid for it to be. You're not paid to be here.
I am
We are paid to be here, actually. That's our job.
Want to be
You're
here?
not even allowed to be here right now.
Okay.
This is highly illegal.
What's your first name, sir?
Ryan.
Ryan? What's your last name, Ryan?
Ryan, come here.
Can you spell
Ryan.
that?
Can you
Yeah.
address?
Hold on. How do
Ryan,
you spell?
do you not? You don't have to
You
do
stop.
anything in this room. Come here, right now.
Go put your shirt on.
Come here,
Ryan.
Ryan,
Ryan.
right
can you please listen to us?
now.
She's going to get
In here,
trouble.
you
So,
do not do anything that goddamn say.
how much longer are we going to go with it?
Let's.
Put her in handcuffs?
I'm ready to be ready.
I'm ready. Can we at least hope she puts
Well, that's what I was hoping
No,
was
but
going to
she took it
happen.
off.
Well, she took that off to put something else on.
We said they're Narcan already.
Oh, Jesus.
I can hear you whispering.
1 call 5, 1 call 4.
And we can hear us. Oh!
Go for it.
And I know my rights. And I'm explaining them to my friend. Do not answer one goddamn word they ask you.
Okay.
Actively doing this left and center.
She's packing.
Our lawyer will answer every question you possibly have.
Awesome.
Cool. Do not answer a goddamn question they ask you. Losers. Nothing better to do with their time. Would you mind helping me with the suitcase, Ryan? Or Mike? Michael or Ryan?
Ryan. It's Ryan.
Oh, sorry, did I lay that inside? I guess I might have gotten charged though. For smoking
Ryan.
inside. I just want to light up a cigarette, right?
No, you're not. You're not smoking.
Don't tell me what I'm doing. I haven't done anything illegal. I just tried to save my 98-year-old grandma from getting her beat. That's all I did. She's got her.
I don't think the phone's cordless, so I don't think that's how it
It
works.
is actually cordless. That's how it works.
Oh, okay.
It's 2024. What the?
That's
That's
true.
weird. And we didn't do a goddamn thing wrong, and you're in my room. And you have no business being here. It's a room I rented, so it's my room right now. I paid for it, so it is.
You say right there.
You can say right there. Good thing we're on YouTube.
Good thing.
This place just opened and it will just get closed.
Ryan, you're going to be the one driving, right?
No, we're not driving.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Even better.
Is it? Yeah, because we're from LA. And
Good.
guess what I am?
Please.
An
don't.
investigative reporter.
Congratulations.
Yep. To you or me?
To you.
Would you like some kratom? Have you ever tried that?
No, thank you.
Sure.
Yes, please.
It's an illegal opium.
We got a caller at North
I mean, we can all smell it.
All right.
I didn't
Put your hands
know
behind your
that.
back. I don't need to
It's
breathe
like
in
it's
your
a joke,
Stop.
dude. It's a joke.
Stop.
Come on now. It's a joke.
You're going to jail. You're done.
Why?
Spray me with that.
It's
I don't know what
not
that is.
really. It's a powder.
Doesn't matter. You're going
It's
to
an
jail.
herb that heals you.
Yeah.
You're done.
Get you intoxicated. I don't need that.
Well, you could be healed in
I'm
jail.
in my. Why?
You got all of her stuff to figure out to do with her stuff?
Come on now.
Stop.
No,
You guys are seriously look at it.
no,
I
You're
bought
done.
it at the gas station.
no.
Gave you
We
enough
tried.
chances. You're done.
For what? Second joy. Why would I get arrested for what?
Disorderly conduct, trespass after warning. We're asking you to leave, and you're
Why, though?
you're
For
making more
what?
of a mess.
It's kratom. It's a herb.
Right? You know that kratom's illegal in the city of Sarasota?
No, I bought it at the gas station in Sarasota.
Cool. Not in the city of Sarasota.
Yeah, I did. I swear on God.
Nope.
Weren't you with me? It was a joke.
That's not funny, okay? Is anyone laughing? You're not even laughing.
Why are you
So why
in my
don't you
hotel room?
Put your shoes
put your
on, we're
shoes on.
going.
I paid $250.
I don't care how much you paid,
Congratulations.
you're going.
We're still working on it.
Are you good with him, LT, if we take her down?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, sounds good.
What am I getting arrested for?
I already told you.
For what? Please don't.
Oh, you're all calm and you want to talk like a normal person now, right? Now that you're in handcuffs, right? But before, when you're throwing around kratom,
Because I was in my own hotel room that
Right.
I paid a lot of money for.
the West
I've
End.
never paid that much money for a hotel room.
Well, you probably shouldn't again. Okay?
Well, it was a lot of money. I felt like I deserved to be there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, what do we do now? It's kratom. It's like an herb. Like an herbal tea.
Yeah.
Are you concealing anything within your body?
Okay. Go ahead, take a step in.
You take a picture of her.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, this is what's fun for me. I want to come up and deal with drunk women throwing kratom around their hotel. Yeah. Because the hotel called us.
Why?
Because you're acting ridiculous and calling the emergency button. That's why.
Oh, my grandmother in Orlando.
Okay, well, that's not how that works, dude.
Yeah, it was. They went to her house.
Cool.
My grandmother is being abused by my mother, dude. She broke her hip and her leg.
Well, you should be there taking care of that.
98 years old, and I went there and I tried to help.
Okay.
And I couldn't do anything, so I called from here.
She is facing charges of trespassing.
This case is a textbook example of how misunderstandings about rights collide with private property law, and how quickly a situation can unravel when emotions override cooperation. Let's break down what actually happened here, because despite the chaos, The legal framework is surprisingly straightforward. First, this is a private hotel, not a private residence. That distinction matters. When you rent a hotel room, you're granted temporary occupancy, not ownership. Management retains the authority to revoke that privilege, especially when house rules are violated or guest behavior becomes disruptive. In this case, hotel staff documented repeated issues: intoxication, repeated returns after being told to leave the rooftop, barefoot wandering in public areas, misuse of the emergency phone system, and smoking on a non-smoking property. Any one of those can be grounds for removal. Combined, they form a clear pattern. The moment management decided to evict and issued a lawful trespass warning, the legal status of the room changed. This is the part many people misunderstand. Paying for the room does not override a lawful trespass order. Once that warning is issued, the guest is no longer legally entitled to remain, even if they prepaid. That's why you hear officers repeatedly say, "You're being trespassed," and "You need to pack up and leave." At that point, refusal becomes a criminal issue, not a customer service dispute. Now let's talk about the emergency button, because that's another key factor. Emergency systems in hotels are treated seriously for obvious reasons. When that button is pressed, staff are required to verify safety. Refusing to answer, giving inconsistent explanations, or repeatedly triggering emergency responses raises red flags. From the officer's perspective, this wasn't about Orlando, a grandmother, or even intent. It was about misuse of emergency services, which compounds the hotel's justification for removal. Throughout the interaction, we see a recurring contradiction. The guest repeatedly asserts, "This is my room," while simultaneously refusing to comply with the very conditions that allow her to stay. You also hear frequent claims of illegality. "This is highly illegal. I know my rights." Yet no lawful alternative is offered. Knowing your rights also means understanding your obligations, and here, the obligation was simple: gather belongings and leave. The escalation point is critical. Officers gave multiple warnings, extended time to pack, and offered assistance. The arrest didn't occur because of smoking alone. It occurred because of continued refusal to leave after a lawful trespass warning, coupled with disorderly conduct, yelling, insulting officers, interfering with the process, and introducing substances into an already volatile situation. Once the kratom incident occurs, joke or not, it further complicates officer safety concerns. In law enforcement terms, that's escalation, not comedy. A lot of viewers ask, why didn't police just walk away? Here's why. Once officers are called to enforce a trespass, and the individual refuses to comply, walking away would mean abandoning enforcement of a lawful order. At that stage, officers either gain compliance or make an arrest. There isn't a third option. Another important clarification: being calm after handcuffs go on doesn't undo prior conduct. Courts evaluate behavior leading up to the arrest, not emotional shifts afterward. You hear officers point this out directly, noting how cooperation only appeared once custody was established. From a legal outcome standpoint, the charges listed, trespass after warning and disorderly conduct, are consistent with what we see on camera. No excessive force, no rushed arrest, and no skipped steps. Warnings were clear. Consequences were explained. The subject chose to challenge authority rather than comply with it. Now here's the bigger takeaway. And this is important. Rights do not exist in a vacuum. They operate within context. Private property has rules. Emergency systems have protocols. Police authority activates when lawful orders are ignored. And no amount of money spent on a hotel room converts that space into sovereign territory. So here's the question for you. At what point should this situation have ended differently? Was it when the hotel first asked her to leave? When officers issued the trespass warning? Or when multiple opportunities to pack and exit were refused? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Because cases like this spark real debate about personal responsibility, authority, and escalation. Final ruling takeaway. This was a lawful eviction, followed by a lawful arrest. The charges stemmed from refusal to comply, not from the initial complaint itself. The broader implication is simple but powerful. Cooperation often determines outcomes more than circumstances ever do. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping body cam and courtroom breakdowns just like this one.